Hey friends, welcome to my channel. Up until the past week, we have had fairly crisp and cool autumn weather in Kentucky, and then it decided it was going to get up in the 70s and 80s again. Oh well, I'll take it, I guess, in November. Nevertheless, we are in the Christmas mood, so today I wanted to share some crafts, some baked goods we've been having and making around the house, and I'm so excited to share this with you, so I hope you enjoy. Every November I manage to talk my husband into putting the Christmas tree up early. I promise he's not a Grinch, he's just used to putting it up on Thanksgiving or after Thanksgiving, but Case and I are always too excited, so we just have to put it up early. I love holiday traditions. I'm not sure there's anyone out there who doesn't, but my favorite holiday craft to make every single year are these dried orange garlands with cinnamon sticks and little bits of greenery. I hang them everywhere. They're so fun. Now how you do this is cut oranges into thin slices and put them on a parchment paper covered baking sheet. I like to bake them at a really low heat of 200 degrees. I flip them every hour or so just until they get nice and dry. Now I'm not saying this is the best way to do this. Obviously, if you have a dehydrator, that's probably more ideal. And there's probably a quicker way to do this. It took me all evening to dry these oranges, and we didn't make the garlands until the next day. So definitely plan ahead if you want to make these. But they are a lot of fun, they're very beautiful, and they add that handmade touch to your Christmas decorations. I try to appreciate each season for what it'll bring. And I love autumn and winter because you really get to lean into being more creative with crafting or baking, and obviously those are both things I really enjoy. So it just gives you so much more time to lean into that, and obviously I like to spend time outside gardening and playing with Case in the summertime and spring, so winter and fall are just a great time to be indoors and get all cozy and just enjoy the season. Something that was so fun this year was Case getting to grow his own pumpkin. It was so amazing for him to go out there every single day and watch it grow from a little seedling into this huge plant. And once the little green pumpkin came on it, he loved to go out there and watch it change colors over a few weeks. But as it goes, it was time to cut it open and scoop out the seeds. We made roasted pumpkin seeds, and then we roasted the actual pumpkin and made a pie with the puree. It was so much fun. I get giddy when it's pumpkin season. I know that makes me basic, but I'll just have to deal with that because I love pumpkin. the pie crust recipe in the description. It's super quick and easy. You can even do it in a food processor. I did it by hand. It was so easy. You have to try it. It's by Parisian Farm Girl. It was so flaky and crisp, and it turned out a lot better than I thought it would, just because I haven't had much luck out of pie crust before. In my opinion, it's never too early for pumpkin pie. It's just so amazing to me how you grow something over a period of time, and then you can make something super yummy or beautiful out of it. It just makes me so happy. And just like it's never too early for pumpkin pie, it's never too early for Christmas decorations. That's just my 2 cents. I love how cozy winter is and Christmas is, and I wanted to choose decorations this year that we could keep up until January, in the middle of January, just because this year I feel like we really need some Christmas cheer. Christmas decorating and baking, so I hope this video gave you some inspiration for your own decorating, and I hope you have a safe and happy holidays. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so and like this video. It really does help my channel and more people to see it. I will see you in the next video, and I hope you have a great Christmas. Bye, y'all.